Have you ever looked through a window only to notice streaks and smudges that just won't budge, no matter how much you scrub? Many of us go through bottle after bottle of commercial glass cleaners, searching for that elusive crystal clear shine. But what if there's a better, greener, and more affordable way right in your own kitchen? Today, we set out to test some of the most popular DIY natural glass cleaner hacks using simple ingredients you probably already have at home. We want to know which natural solutions really deliver, and whether any can outshine the store-bought alternatives. The quest for the perfect glass cleaner isn't just about aesthetics. Many commercial cleaners rely on harsh chemicals and artificial fragrances, which can irritate sensitive skin or trigger allergies. Plus, the plastic bottles and strong formulas aren't always the most environmentally friendly. So the promise of natural, eco-conscious glass cleaning is appealing to anyone who wants spotless windows without the chemical cloud. Let's start by gathering our contenders. The natural ingredients most often recommended include distilled white vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, rubbing alcohol, and a variety of essential oils. Each has its own set of purported cleaning powers, from cutting through grease to leaving a pleasant, fresh scent. We'll put them to the test on mirrors, windows, and glass tabletops, surfaces notorious for showing every little streak and fingerprint. First up is the classic vinegar and water solution. This one's a staple for good reason. In a clean spray bottle, we mix equal parts distilled white vinegar and water. Many swear by this straightforward combination, claiming it cuts through grime and leaves glass gleaming. Spritzing it onto the glass and wiping with a lint-free cloth, the vinegar smell is a little strong at first, but dissipates quickly. After a few passes, the glass is noticeably brighter and clearer. There's a little bit of streaking if you don't buff it dry, but overall, it's impressive for such a simple recipe. Next, we try adding a few drops of essential oil, like lemon or lavender, to the vinegar and water mix. This hack is supposed to mask the vinegar scent and add a hint of freshness. The solution works just as well as the original, with the bonus of a pleasant aroma lingering behind. The essential oil doesn't interfere with cleaning power, and the surface dries quickly with minimal streaks. If you're sensitive to vinegar's pungency, this is a game changer. Now, onto baking soda. This ingredient is renowned for its gentle abrasiveness and deodorizing properties. For glass, the trick is to make a thin paste by mixing baking soda with a little water, then gently applying it to stubborn spots or streaks. On a mirror with toothpaste smudges, the baking soda paste lifts the residue almost instantly. However, you need to wipe thoroughly and follow up with a damp cloth to avoid leaving a powdery film. It's not the best for large surfaces, but it's a winner for spot-treating stubborn marks. Lemon juice is another natural favorite, thanks to its acidity and fresh scent. We mix lemon juice with water in a 1-to-1 ratio and apply it to a window pane. The citrus scent is uplifting, and the juice cuts through fingerprints and light dirt easily. Like vinegar, lemon juice can leave some streaks if not buffed dry, but it does a good job of dissolving grime. Plus, the natural oils in lemon give a subtle shine. Another popular hack combines rubbing alcohol, vinegar, and water. The recipe is simple: 1 cup of water, 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. This blend is supposed to evaporate quickly, reducing streaks and leaving glass sparkling. Spraying it onto a glass tabletop, the solution dries almost instantly, and the surface is left clear and streak-free. The alcohol speeds up evaporation, which helps eliminate those pesky streaks that sometimes happen with slower drying solutions. For a final experiment, we test the use of cornstarch in a glass cleaner. This may sound strange, but cornstarch is said to help polish glass and prevent residue. We add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to the vinegar and water mix, shake well, and spray onto a mirror. The solution feels slightly grainy, but wipes away clean. The mirror looks noticeably shinier, and the cornstarch seems to help achieve that streak-free finish. So, after a thorough round of testing, what's the verdict? The simple vinegar and water solution is a reliable classic, offering solid cleaning power and a clear finish when buffed dry with a microfiber cloth. Adding essential oils is a fantastic way to improve the scent without sacrificing effectiveness. The rubbing alcohol, vinegar, and water combo emerges as the top performer for streak-free glass, especially on large surfaces like windows and glass tables. It dries quickly, reduces streaking, and requires minimal effort to achieve a flawless shine. Baking soda proves to be the secret weapon for tough spots and sticky residue, although it's best reserved for small areas rather than full surfaces. Lemon juice works well for everyday cleaning and leaves a pleasant scent, but it may require a little extra buffing to prevent streaks. The Cornstarch edition is an unexpected success, subtly enhancing the shine and reducing residue. Here are a few tips for the perfect streak-free finish when using any DIY natural cleaner. Always use a clean microfiber or lint-free cloth. Paper towels can leave fibers behind and contribute to streaking. Wipe in a circular motion and finish with vertical or horizontal strokes. Buff the glass dry immediately after cleaning to prevent water spots or streaks from forming as the solution evaporates. And if you're dealing with extra dirty glass, give it a quick wipe with plain water first to remove excess dust or dirt before applying your cleaner. In the end, these DIY natural glass cleaner hacks are not only effective, but also safe, budget-friendly, and better for the planet. Whether you're cleaning a mirror, window, or glass tabletop, you can achieve sparkling results without the need for harsh chemicals. Plus, you'll enjoy the satisfaction of mixing up your own solutions, tailored to your favorite scents and cleaning needs. If you found these natural cleaning experiments helpful and want to see more honest tests and eco-friendly tips, don't forget to subscribe for future updates. With a little creativity and a few kitchen staples, you'll never see glass cleaning the same way again. Thanks for joining us on the quest for the perfect streak-free shine.